Ya, habis yang sipang lah, ambil kaki lah nang stand. Betul lah.
YouTube content.
YouTube content man, chest and tricep. Don't move, okay? Otherwise the camera will move like this.
It'll shake.
Will shake, man. You just stand.
It's shaking. It's shaking.
It's fine, no? One come lah, Jan. Why? Huh? Renegade row. Renegade row is like in push-up, no? You pull the dumbbell like this. Kantura apa ada? Place the daski nga mga iba Henry, iba di iba Mark, Brandon in apa ni pi kumno ban le exercise jong chest and triceps mana sini le te ngidon dong ba southly ban le chest but southly ban le triceps te I Mark in introduce ya de kateng jungi kai ko abang ifi. Okay, Mark.
Hi guys, my name is Mark. Kateng jungi Mark. Ngadon arpo nyong senam buat sedap aku kasnem. Te ngawan hanjem jong coach Anas pun le kai ke chest buat ke tricep mentang sini.
Jadi something pas. Army lah. Kan bila. Ini way army, Indian army. Bas kang Malaysia senam lah. Retire na, return duty na po. Shillong na mah. Po Shillong mah. Yes. Passionate army kata. Exercise ini ketika bench press, flat bench press. Temata pilih benda mana? Pilih tiap mana? But on your mark, but one time distance. Ado pira, bu shine kum tung ba. R seconds control ek weight, drop a chest. Press 1, 2, press straight. 3. Temta iba mark ba di ba Andrin pini na side mo, kum na ban le bench. Ya rabat lah tu. 1. Nice. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 6, 7. Kena ada exercise ka second exercise jungi. Kena dumbbell chest press. Te kena ka exercise problem no ram do. Pain tu mo 45 degree tu chest up ke back ke de ban long shijong tu de ban long full flat chest up nanti pi go down pull tu and press 1 me haju 2 3 common mistake pi ban tu pira sidin tu kena wrong mo kan sahat ika shoulder jeng pi and one tu this way. Control. Yes. Good. 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 Come on.
Ada pujuk. Nah, coba coba. Terus dah kemat duk. Benda tu bertap. Henry. Come on.
Alright, okay. Kena ada third exercise, kena dumbbell chest fly. Lihat no, tiap tu. Part dumbbell tu, chest up, nanti pi fly. Squeeze ke chest, apa yang ni? Penek ke chest yang pi. Okay, sementara iba Henry buat iba Mark in peni side mah. Enough. Come on. 1, 2.
Come on, 5.
Kena kena fourth exercise kejungi, mah jangan chest kena. Kata jangan kena pec deck fly, mah. Dan bentar pilih no, pilih kena exercise pihak bat silang, pull silang. Dan after that pull side silang, mah. Dia pin pull di bawah mana, sen no. Tapi bat nangan position, pull silang 1, then pull 2. Okay, nane ke chest kembali belong tu, chest up always. And if you fly, stop the other, then come back. Squeeze the chest, hold for 1 second, then go back. 2, 3, 4. This way. Okay, put people like silang. Okay.
7. Come on. 8. 9. 10.
Ana ka drone nga ba isla mak.
Ya, vung left right. Hadur.
2, 3.
Ay, natulas. Ay, kecil lah kedua. Kedua lah.
No pain. Come on. Push ka triceps. Ma. The connect exercise ni just down easy bar. Okay. The pan grip grip ang no, grip ang close grip ke. Okay. Ya, ti ando if you don't partner ban I grip do nane pin drop ha ne forehead into ben. Kamni berwan sini the face. One forehead do nane extend do. Ne kamni berlong do. Ne wrong nane. Nane one forehead then lock squeeze your triceps go down again 1 2 3 pila 4 neka monkey grip ne pila 4 ka neka full grip this way kata asyong kamon yupi. Alright.
Woi. Easy dah ni.
Ta ya rabat tat bro sport. Okay, kane ka second exercise yung triceps dumbbell kick back mo ipan na preng yung dumbbell do place ka ko sium do kane ka palm do fingertips pointing forward do nane dumbbell ra do ini pin kick shidin do extend you want to do ne what to na use kane ka string do and walk your triceps long do extend do look forward 1 2 3 back straight. Okay, this one. Good. Squeeze bar triceps. Good. Okay, kene ka third exercise ka diamond push-up. Ma, kene ka body weight exercise. Ka work ka triceps. Ma, one of the best exercise for triceps. Pa pilih ka body weight. Kene la ne ka bench dips. Ma, the mentang le kene diamond push-ups. Kikti pi panjang ne long diamond. Chest up, back straight. Kejap penjan do, chest up, look forward do, then look down there, and then leg down, then extension, squeeze triceps, go down again. Perform gumne around 12 to 15 reps. Kene ka fourth exercise ka tricep push down. Keble na kipat in line with your shoulder, kunto ma. Kanane kira kunto close your body, kira squat do. And push it back. The back they belong straight. And if you control more, and push down. 1, 2, this way. 3, 4, 5. May not plan less. Okay, kublai pi bro, kiba sultanat ban pe kene channel jungi ma. Kene channel jungi kolong ba ngi kai pi shpang kumna ban la kai ma. Tem ta sngi cover atli ki muscles kata kali ki chest but triceps. Ta pile kene ki exercise kum kene ki bodybuilding exercise pi perform around 8 to 12 reps. Ta pila more than 12 reps kumot pila ban interest na ya weight ma. Kenang bakan la ban engage ba kan work ba ka tu ka muscle jung pi. Okay. Nang ta ya kene ya kum kene exercise pila mle 3 to 4 sets. Okay, tangom tayo kublay sibo ng leon juga nak liang mak om training pi kendiat.
Okay, thank you for watching. Please leave a like, share and subscribe.
Wow.